Hi guys, let us look at the recipe for delicious homemade popcorns. It's a very easy recipe, takes about 3 minutes and just 3 ingredients. If you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel. I'm going to be using coconut oil for making the popcorns. Coconut oil is very healthy in itself. Additionally, if we use coconut oil, there's no need to add butter at the end. So let's get straight into the recipe now. All we need to get started is some popcorns, a big pan with a lid and preferably a heavy base, a teaspoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of salt. We need to keep the stove on medium heat throughout the process. The first step is to add a teaspoon of coconut oil to the pan. We just need a little bit of oil so the corns don't stick to the bottom of the pan and get burnt. Now add a couple of corn kernels to the oil. We need to wait for the first few kernels to pop. This would take a couple of minutes. When one of the kernels is popped, we know the oil is ready. Now turn off the heat and add the rest of the kernels. We will add in the salt and give it a nice mix. The idea is to get the salt and oil mixed well and coated uniformly on all the kernels. It is time to turn on the stove again. This time, ensure that the pan is covered with a lid. The corns will start popping in a minute. It's fun watching them pop. We need to keep the stove on until all of them are popped. Our popcorns are all done now. Now it's time for us to dig in and enjoy the snack. Hope you all enjoyed this video. The recipe is completely healthy with all natural ingredients. Do try this at home and let us know your feedback. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Till next time, stay happy, healthy and safe.